Welcome to Almaty, the largest city of Kazakhstan.
It's calling me. Like the window. It's calling me.
Come to Kazakhstan, a country younger than me. I am Prantik, a budget traveler. Join me on a virtual tour of Almaty. Together we'll explore the history, natural beauty, urban culture,
Welcome Kazakhstan,
everything.
come only Ahmedjan. Discount.
Stay tuned till the end for this awesome Navroj, the New Year celebration of Kazakhstan. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel Nomadic Prantik. If you watch this full episode, you don't have to research anything about Almaty. I landed at Almaty around 2 am. After receiving my luggage at the airport, I took the local SIM card, withdrew money using Niyo Global debit card, then booked a cab through Yandex Go to my hostel. This is the first look of Almaty. I can spot snow everywhere. It was the capital of Kazakhstan till 1997 and one of the oldest city of Central Asia. And now it's quite late, so I'll sleep for a few hours and then in the morning we'll start exploring the city. Good morning. While crossing the road, I noticed if there is no signal and you are standing at the walking cross, all the vehicles will stop for you. No struggle to cross a road. Now the temperature is -3, but it's not that bad. I mean, you can enjoy in this temperature. So my hostel is just only 500 meters from this park, and at the center of this park the Zenkov Cathedral is situated, and that is the second largest wooden cathedral in the world and made without nails. Amazing, right? By the way, do you know the difference between a church and a cathedral? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Some says the nails were avoided as it was used in crucifixion of Jesus. So let's go inside and explore more. The architecture of the building is so sounded that it survived the earthquake of 1911. But the misfortune came on 1927 when the Soviet government closed it and subsequently it was robbed and destroyed. In 1995, the religious importance of the building was restored by the Kazakh government. Since then, it's a sanctuary for Christians and travelers like us. Come here around 4:30 pm to attend the prayer. But on Sunday around morning 10, you can attend the prayer just like me. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hey. Are you scared? So now we are going to the Green Bazar, the most famous market of Kazakhstan. From here you can actually see the building from the outside. Now let's go inside and explore. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Oh,
Welcome to Kazakhstan.
thank you.
Try.
What is this?
This is halwa.
Halwa.
Yes. Halwa mix nuts. Mix nuts.
Whenever I am in a new city, I always visit the local market to get an overview of the daily life and obviously to shop something. Kazakhstan, traditionally being a nomadic nation, meat and dairy took the major space in the bazaar. Horse meat is the famous across Kazakhstan. Apart from that, vegetables, fresh fruits, dry fruits are also available in this market. So here I decided to sit at the top floor of the market, have a cup of tea and watch the daily life within the cleanest market of Central Asia. After having my lunch with a small plate of pulao, which is the famous dish of Kazakhstan, I started walking towards the Almaty Central Mosque. In the medieval period, the name of this town was Almatau or Alma Alta of Soviet region, which literally means the grandfather of apple. Amazing. Almaty Central Mosque is a big and beautiful mosque made up of white marble and golden top. Don't miss this complex while you are in Almaty. But I haven't visited the inside hall as the prayer was going on. If you have a massive sweet tooth or loves chocolate, then this destination is for you. I'll take you to the oldest chocolate factory of Kazakhstan. The Rakhat chocolate factory. It's situated exactly opposite to the green Bazar. And I can sense the aroma of chocolate in the air. Let's go inside. The store is full with different type of candies, biscuits, wafers, bar chocolate of different sizes, celebration packs, jelly beans, and in this factory outlet they offer a great discount. I can't talk much right now as I can't control myself in this paradise of chocolate. My mouth is watering uncontrollably. So after buying a handful amount of chocolate, I decided to go back to my hostel, keep this, and then I'll go to the next destination, the Central Park and then the Kok Tobe. I am staying at Wanderlust Hostel. The property can be booked through Agoda or booking.com. I have shared the location in the description and you can check from here all the attraction of Almaty within the 3-kilometer radius. I booked a 6-bed dorm with shared bathroom. Here private room options are also available. The common space is great to relax or hang out, whereas the kitchen of this place is my favorite spot. I really enjoyed my stay at Wanderlust. Your normal charger will not fit here in the plug point. So what you have to do, you have to bring some converter like this. So this will easily go here, and then just put your charger here. Let's go to the Central Park of Almaty. It's a favorite place amongst the locals for recreation and practicing sports. I visited the park on set of the Spring Festival. The happy faces and the vibe of the place was really great to spend an afternoon. But if you have short time in Almaty, then you can skip this place. Before going to the Kok Tobe for the sunset, let's enjoy the glimpse of the Navroj Festival, the Persian New Year, which is celebrated across Kazakhstan. This guy is actually explaining me what's going on about the function, celebrity performance and food. This contagious smile and happy vibe really great to experience on a solo trip. Now we are going to Kok Tobe Hills, which literally means the Blue Mountain, and it's very famous amongst the tourists as well as within the residents. So let's go, and you guys are coming with me. There are 3 ways to reach at the top of Kok Tobe. You can take electric bus, or you can go by walking through the staircase, or take the gondola. So I have planned to take the gondola, the easiest one. So let's find out how much the ticket costs. The ticket for round trip in the cable car for adult is 5000 tenge, which is almost 900 rupees. The park at the top remains open every day from 10 am to 12 at midnight.
I've never been so close before. You were truly my lover, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. It was never built to last.
The snow-covered view from the cable car is really beautiful. Like the other places in the city, the park is also well maintained. You will find a giant wheel, amusement park, wall climbing, viewing platform, and the Almaty TV tower. So after reaching the top, if you are feeling hungry, no need to worry because there are several food joints from where you can try whatever you want. But the thing is, the food is little bit pricier here than the city.
But it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. It was never built to last.
There is a small zoo inside the park which is very popular amongst the locals. Mostly you can see varieties of birds, deer and sheep. Since the morning I was searching for souvenirs. At last at Kok Tobe I can see array of shops.
Let us use the open.
But I was highly shocked after checking the high price of anything whatever I liked. I need to find some other places.
India, have a nice day. Welcome to Kazakhstan.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. The best time to visit Kok Tobe is the late afternoon for the majestic sunset view. What a beautiful day I am spending today. Wow. As the sun sets, the temperature was dropping very quickly, and the park was turning to a dreamland. With a backdrop of snowy peak, the lights at the park was creating a magical ambience.
Been knocking at your door.
As the weather became very cold, I decided to come back to the city. And now we'll go to the last destination of tonight. But the view, wow, this view was just awesome. The Arbat Street, it's Almaty's one of the vibrant walking area, famous for food and shopping. I reached quite late here, so most of the street shops were closed. But the street music was just awesome. Blessed to end the day like this.
Вспомни тот вид, который дом открывался с высот, ярким пятном над морем.
The first day in Almaty is mind-blowing, happy and contented experience. People were afraid after hearing the word Stan in Kazakhstan, and not planning for this country, I hope the mindset will be changed after watching this video. Tomorrow we are going to the highest ski resort of Central Asia and the video will be live on the episode 2. So click on the thumbnail here. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe Nomadic Prantik.